Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing fine and are safe. And in today's video, we will be knowing some tried and tested tips about how to improve your listening skill in English. So without much further ado, let's get started. But before beginning, if you are new to the channel, welcome and welcome back to all my viewers and friends. I am Sangeeta and I make videos on English language. So kindly subscribe to the channel for more such interesting contents. Let's begin now. Before beginning the video, let us know about the three major reasons of why the non-native speakers face problems in developing the listening skill. Number one is that non-native speakers get very little opportunity to practice and exposure. As we are not surrounded by the native speakers all the time, we get very little exposure and the opportunity to practice. Number two is that we do not always understand the foreign accent. This is a main cause why most of the Indian students fail to develop active listening skill in English. Most of the English podcasts or videos that we see over internet are from the native speakers, and we do not always understand the active foreign accent that in which they speak those dialogues. So this is a major problem for the Indian or any other non-native speakers of English. And the last one is that non-native speakers always do not utter words in isolation. They try to utter it in unison. For example, they say, I do know what to do. D-U-N-N-O. Do know stands for don't know. Give me that book. G-I-M-M-E. Give me that book means give me that book. So many non-native speakers fail to understand these words as they are not very much fluent in understanding these words that are spoken in unison by the native speakers. Now let us discuss some tried and tested tips that you can use in developing your listening skill. Number one is that you can listen to English songs or music. Whenever you listen to songs, it gives you an opportunity to listen to it repeatedly. And in this way, you can understand the words and sentence structure, and you can also understand the meaning of it. If possible, try to get the lyrics of it so that you can also match of your understanding with the actual lyrics. Number two task you can do is that you can listen to different podcasts that are available on internet freely. You can also watch some YouTube videos that are broadcasted in English. So if you get your exposure in English, if you keep in touch, if you keep on listening to English videos and podcasts, it will help you to keep you in touch with the language. And the more you practice, the more you will be fluent in understanding what is being said. Rule number three is the golden rule of all the times, and that is practice. Practice makes you perfect. If you give or invest time in this, if you keep on listening to native language and speaking, you will obviously get the hang of it very soon. And you need to practice it not in listening form, but you need to speak it also. We will come later to the integration of skills, but as of now, try to get as much exposure as you can get and try to listen to the as many podcasts, videos or any audios you get from the internet or any other resources, so that you can be in touch with the language and you get the hang of it, you get the meanings of the sentences spoken. Whenever we are talking of more and more practice, one suggestion that I can give you is that you can join a conversation group, mostly that are available online, so that you can practice with them and you get the hang of it. Whenever we are suggesting you more and more practice, you need to make it mistake-free or error-free. So what you can do, you can take dictation from the podcasts and the audiobooks, and later you can change it, you can check it if any audio script is available with you. Same you can do with the news as well. Whenever you are listening to any kind of English news channel, try to get the dictation out of it. Try to write of what you listen. And then if the audio script is available with you, you can check with them that if your dictation, if your listening skill is error-free or not. Whenever you are trying to develop your listening skill, it is always good to have a native speaker so that you can get the right intonation and pronunciation from him or her. So whenever we are talking about getting native speaker, here in India, in this country, it is not always possible for us to have a native speaker who will be talking with us and whom we will be listening to. It is now that we get some online resources for it. Websites like Cambly, websites like BCL, British Council Library podcasts help you understand the native language. So there are many more Android apps that you can use to get your listening skill active, and you will be more fluent in speaking of it. I'll be giving in the description box the names of all the Android apps. I'm naming here a few that I have noted down specially for you, and that is Learn English by Listening, English Listening Daily, English Listening and Speaking, BCL Podcasts, and Cambly. All of them are freely available on Play Store. You can actually access them and you can have those native speakers who will be speaking for you, and you can also practice with them. It will also help you to improve your listening skill to a great extent. And the last thing that we should keep in mind is that no language skill can be learned in isolation. So whenever we are talking of developing the listening skill, we must think it that we all through this we also improve our speaking skill and writing skill as well. So what you can do, you can converse with a native speaker through these apps. So you will listen to him and you will respond back. Whenever you will responding him back, you will improve your speaking skill automatically. Through taking dictation, you can improve your writing skill as well. It in turn helps you to develop the sub-skill of writing, such as spelling, handwriting, etc. So through developing your listening skill, you are actually developing quite a few another skills like speaking skill, writing skill, and the sub parts of the writing skill as well. I hope this video will be helpful for you and you will get some useful tips out of it. If you like it, then like, share and comment on this video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.